This is related to incremental mail storage. It's a partial email file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens IMM files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. An IMM file is an incremental mail file, likely associated with email clients or systems that use incremental updates or storage methods for email data. It may contain partial or complete email messages, attachments, or metadata related to email communication. The specific format and structure depend on the email system or software that created it. The internal structure of an IMM file is proprietary to the email system or software that utilizes it. It may involve a specific encoding scheme, data compression, or indexing method to efficiently store and retrieve email data. Understanding the exact format requires knowledge of the associated email software specifications. For IMM, a strong first option is Email Client System. Windows cannot verify the digital signature of this file type natively. Windows cannot interpret threaded or styled content, so proper reading relies on email tools. To start the process, right-click your IMM file and select Open With. If you have Email Client System installed, test that first. If not, try another option. You need to systematically check compatibility. If your IMM file is not opening yet, that is normal. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, launch IncrediMail. Open the IncrediMail application or a compatible email recovery tool capable of reading incremental mail containers. Next, import message store. Navigate to the File, Import menu, and select Messages to locate the IMM files in your user profile folder. Finally, verify email content. Allow the software to index the message store so you can view the archived emails and their associated attachments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.